Hello, welcome back to the session of Earning Money Science in Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Rituals. And we are going through different money lessons. So, here in Earning Money, I just would like to explain the concept of law of attraction. Though it is a very big subject, those who are interested in knowing the detailed law of attraction and a different state, please subscribe to my telegram channel which is given in the description, where you will see a different videos and a different tutorials, the home study course about the law of attraction, which is a very deep subject. But here, just for earning money, I just would like to talk practically. Whatever you focus on, it expands. If you constantly think life is tough or money is hard to make, you will attract things and situations to prove that what you think is correct. So this law has been active right from the time you were born, and if you do not try and understand it, it may cause a serious harm. Only thing is, we learned as a secret in 2006 when that secret movie came. There are a lot of different school of thoughts that law of attraction will not work, and so many things, but it is true. But you have to put in action and not only depend on doing those law of attraction affirmations. You have to put actions behind that. The law of attraction states that the people experience the corresponding outcomes of their predominant thoughts, feelings, words, and action, and that people therefore have a direct control over the reality and their lives through thought alone. A person's thought, that is a conscious and subconscious emotions, beliefs, and actions, are said to attract the corresponding positive and negative experiences in life through the resonance of their energetic vibration. It is like this: if you want to see any TV channel, or if you want to hear from any FM radio frequency, if you are not matching that frequency, there will be disturbance in that radio channel and even the TV signals. It is same that if you want to attract the money in your life, if you are not vibrating at the energetic vibration of money, there will be disturbances. So you have to tune to the money frequency, and this frequency will come only the experiences, your positive emotions, positive belief system, and positive actions. Actions are more important. So, how this law of attraction is accepted? Gautam Buddha says, what you have become is the result of what you have thought. It is so true, but we have never listened to the Gautam Buddha, and we are just listening to the secret movie. So I don't want to go into detail, but just I would like to give a practical application for this. See, now listen to these thoughts. What I'm going to say right now, these are negative thoughts, but if you are coming across these sentences and thoughts, how you can change these negative thoughts into positive thoughts by affirmations and by conscious awareness, how thought become things. I'm reading it because I have deleted those files, but I'm going to read it for you as a third party. I'm so badly in debt, I don't know what to do. I don't have enough to get the things I seek in life for myself and my family. Slowly, I would start correcting these thoughts. How? I have a home, my kids are happy, and I have a loving family. When you visualize, even though you are not having, you will start attracting. I have a nice job with an opportunity for a raise. I am healthy. I should not feel so sad. Many people don't have a house or a loving family. My debt will be paid off when I start saving just a little bit every month and start managing. There are people far worse than this. 2 billion people worldwide have to survive on less than rupee a day. I'm grateful that I have a job and a middle income life cycle. I like the idea of being rich. I'm grateful that I have got a car, clothes, and can meet 3 meals a day and can take the occasional vacations. Most people cannot afford this. I believe that more money and multiple streams of income will open up to me in near future. So by gradually changing the view of your current circumstances, you can correct yourself from negative thinking to positive thinking. So slowly your thoughts and dreams become bolder. I believe that my talents will help me to earn income very soon. I'm going to learn the income, remove those money blocks. I'm understanding my money blocks. I'm learning the money skills. I'm developing a right thought process towards the money, right emotions. I'm learning the money frequency, and very soon I'm going to change my money world, and which you are during this Millionaire Mind frequency 5 days WhatsApp class is just a beginning. When you go through a 30 days constant hammering by all non-linguistic program we have incorporated by reading, by listening, by visualizing, and by experiencing during the workshop, you are going to change your money world. It's a gradual shift with small incremental boost in your self-belief, because you believe what you can, you get what you think, what you deserve. But you are most powerful person, you are the best person, and you deserve the best. Only thing, it is not coming to you because of the wrong money myths, wrong money thoughts, wrong money belief system, and most important, you don't accept yourself. You are under guilt mode and you don't think you deserve it. That's why. So, how to control your thoughts? By understanding the emotions. The universe is your friend. Understand that thoughts become things. Thought creates your feelings. Feelings create your actions or no actions, and that gives your results. So once you become aware of the thoughts, you have to manage those thoughts, and universe is your best friend. How you can manage? When you know it is a negative thought about the money which is giving me the negative feeling, which is giving a distraction and reducing my energy, reducing your productivity, so there is a reduced action or no action. That's why you are not getting the results you want. So when a thought comes to you, say, thanks for sharing, anyway I am going to do it. Thanks for sharing, anyway I am going to do it. And switch over your emotions, and stay tuned how you can switch your emotions in next lessons.